Well, it's been a week since I set up the AeroGarden, and I think it's time that we took a look and see how it was doing. I think you're going to be surprised. 1 week. Look how awesome that is. My basil is up of both kinds. The dill, I can pretty much see that growing. Look. These other ones are starting. I can see little bits of stuff in the bottom. They just haven't poked their little heads up yet. The indicators are all on. So this one tells me when to add more plant food. It will change to red. This one will flash red when I need to add more water. And the lights I can turn on and off manually, but currently they're set to stay on for 15 hours. It'll turn off and turn back on at the same time every day. So there you have it, the AeroGarden Harvest. Pretty impressed. Let's go take a look now and see how the root farm's doing. So as you can see, everything is up in my root garden system. These were all started from seeds. There's a variety in each container, so each one has a pepper plant, a couple of lettuce, and some herbs. You can see the water level here. So I've got it almost all the way up. Look at those roots coming. They love it in there. It's pretty quiet as long as you keep the water level near the top. And I did an experiment. So here's my experiment. It's getting cooler and my outdoor plants were just about to get hit by frost soon. So I decided to bring them in. I washed the dirt all off all of their little roots, and I secured some of them with these little balls, the clay balls, and that's all that's in here. Oops. And this particular one I cut halfway through one of the peat pots that came with the root farm. And he's growing lovely. I'm really super happy about these guys. And look at that rosemary. So my lights are adjustable, and I wish I had the ones that came with the root farm or that were for the root farm, but I already had these, so I kept them on. How fantastic is that? I'm going to have food all winter. So I would say my hydroponic test is coming along quite nicely, and I'm really happy that I took the leap from potted plants, which just don't get along with me, and they don't really grow as fast. Who has lettuce? I should say the hydroponic system for the root farm, it's been 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Who has lettuce in 2 weeks? Anyway, I will follow up in a little later time and we'll see how they're doing. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Bye!